Compass has worked on being more than just a MWD provider. That's why we're expanding the types and the breadth of the offerings that we have. So we've got a friction reduction tool that's available. We've got gyros that we now offer, in addition to Osiris high-speed MWD system and the Ajax slim hole. By expanding in this way in the amount of products that we offer, we're utilizing Compass's experience in MWD and LWD. We have a really deep knowledge of the MWD systems and a lot of experience over the last 20 plus years that we've been doing business with these products. So what we're doing is we're utilizing and leveraging that experience that we have to incorporate this additional technology into our offerings, with the goal, of course, being that by customers doing business with Compass, they get to leverage our experience where we've integrated all of these new systems together into one large product category group that they can then use to bring to their customers.
Experience plus greater reliability equals greater success. That is why we have the best technicians in the business maintain our tools for you. In the field, reliability is the last thing you should be thinking about when downhole. Stay downhole longer and focus on your plan. Don't worry, we've got your back. The most reliable equipment in the business is also available for rental, lease, and lease purchases. And today, you can rent the Osiris high-speed MWD system. With the right data at the right time, Osiris high-speed MWD gives you the power of control. With a much lower cost than dual telemetry tools and data transmission rates to the surface at up to 4 bits per second, Osiris is a mud pulse telemetry service engineered to help you make informed decisions along the well plan to reduce your well time and maximize production. Osiris provides a very wide flow range of 35 to 1100 gallons per minute and can operate in lost circulation material concentrations of 30 to 50 pounds per barrel medium nut plug. Osiris can be used in HPHT wells up to 175 degrees centigrade and 20,000 psi. Osiris high-speed MWD has dynamic telemetry that switches automatically between rotating and sliding with no need to program checkpoints in the telemetry sequence, all while measuring real-time shock, vibration, and RPM to optimize drilling.
Rotary Steerable, it's coming really soon. We're expecting to have it ready sometime next year. So keep tuned to the website, and we'll also let everyone know that's signed into our newsletter and our social media. We'll let you know when we're ready and it's been commercialized. But coming soon.